Welcome to our information video about keywords. We're going to be defining keywords, what they are. Also learn everything about keywords within this course. Learn how to find the best keywords. Learn how to use those keywords effectively. Learn everything about the use of keywords within your marketing strategy. We're going to talk about primary keywords and what they are, and the benefits of long-tail keywords. We will be discussing the best tools to find keywords. We have a full list of free resources at the end of this course that you can use. Keywords are the #1 thing that marketers often struggle with. Having a good keyword strategy can bring out results within content search. YouTube and keywords is essential in gaining traffic and improving your ranking. Keywords are important in all stages of video ranking, including your video content creation, metadata, and almost every single aspect of your video. YouTube is the second largest search engine next to Google. You have to consider keywords in order to rank. If you want to be found within search, think keywords. You need to optimize those keywords to effectively show up within search results. Keywords are the foundation for